Yo, what's up YouTube? This your boy Cuss over here, Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville. And today I got another video for y'all. This video is a video of a bald fade, okay? It's a real simple haircut, straight to the point. All I'm doing is balding out the bottom like I normally do, okay? And I'm using my Andy's T outliners, of course. Taking my time, balding out the bottom, making sure everything is cut. So if you need to take your time with this, it's probably a good idea to take your time with this. Okay? So once I get the bottom all cleaned up and balded out, what I'm gonna do is use my Andy's Masters and I'm gonna open the lever all the way. And when I say the lever all the way, I mean the lever all the way down, which will open up the blade, okay? So y'all just pay attention and we'll get straight to that in a second. Alright, now here we go. Okay, I got my masters all the way. As y'all can see, I just kind of confirmed with my client, like, man, we taking it low, right? And he said, yeah. Okay. So here we go. Shout out to my boy D. Shout out to Barber Illuminati. Shout out to everybody that's been showing me love on this channel. Hey, man, the channel is growing. I'm up to about 370 something subscribers. I wouldn't have made it this far without y'all, but let's get to 1,000, y'all. Okay. The next move is to get to 1,000 subscribers. And we're gonna celebrate once we get there, all right? Appreciate all of y'all for showing me love, for supporting the channel. Those of you that have been paying attention since the beginning, thank you, and thank you some more. I want y'all to know that this channel is for educational purposes only. Okay, this information should not be held as actual facts. Okay, so don't go out there and mess nobody's head up and try to hold this channel reliable or liable for your mess ups, okay? Now check it out. So now that I got everything off the top, what I'm gonna do is, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna close the lever halfway after this right here. Okay. Just brushing it out, making sure everything's even, taking a good look. This is a very important step. Okay, so now I'm closing this halfway, and there we go. Okay, so it's at the halfway mark, all right? And I'm just going fading halfway up. So those of you that don't know, open all the way is equivalent to a 1. The halfway is a half. Real simple. Alright, so I'm going halfway to the top. And I think halfway through this, I open the lever all the way again just to kind of make sure it transitions well. Okay. Yeah, this is straight to the point haircut. This is one of the first haircuts you should learn how to do. It's real easy, real simple. I recommend that everybody learn the bald fade first. If you are just starting out with the barbering. Okay, so this is where I got it opened up all the way, and I kind of make sure the half and the 1 go in together. Okay, now what I'm doing here is I didn't close the lever all the way, but it's almost closed all the way. So I got it on that last notch right before the close all the way. And sometimes I do this just to get the transition right. And I'm brushing just so I can see where I'm at. So what we pretty much did was open the lever all the way for the top, went against the grain, and just gradually started to close the lever, okay? But you can't forget where you position the lever at, okay? This is the most important part of this bald fade haircut. is not to forget where you are, okay? And I know it's hard when I'm saying this, but if you don't understand, just rewind this video and you will understand it. It's real simple. And sometimes when I go and try to erase that bottom line, it doesn't come out all the way. So guess what I do? I do it again and again and again until I erase that bottom line completely. This ain't no race. Just take your time and you'll get it right, all right? Now I got it closed all the way. And notice that I'm going in the angle. You go in the angle, you make sure you get everything. And if it doesn't get everything, go at another angle. You know what I mean? So this is where I knock out that bottom line, okay? Alright, now let's go to the tape up. The hairline, alright? So now I'm at the front of the head. Got my Andy's T outliner again. And I'm shaping up the hairline. Real simple, straight to the point. Those of you that have watched my video in the past, you know I normally fast forward through this point, but I never actually give you guys the whole rundown of what I do and how I do it and why I do it. So this is it, y'all. This is the hairline. Very simple. Take your time, do it right. And what I'm gonna actually do is show you guys how I airbrush this hairline too. And like I said, it's real simple. Just pay attention. And there's really not much I can say to teach you guys this. This is one of those things that you have to look at and really figure out what I'm doing. You gotta actually practice this and try it. If you don't try it, you're not gonna learn it. It's just like anything in life, you know. If you learn some information or read a book or something like that, you don't really know it until you apply it to your life. So this is real life here, y'all. This ain't just a tutorial, you know what I mean? This is real life. Not only are you learning life lessons, but you're learning how to cut hair as well. And the other way around too, so. Okay, I think that looked pretty good. All right, so the next move is to hit this corner right here. And I'm gonna use my Master Airbrush kit. Okay. And I got the Kiss Express. Oh yeah, and there's a new formula with the Kiss Express too. I tried to buy the old formula, but obviously they changed the bottle. So I'm gonna come at y'all with another tutorial on that, another video on that, letting y'all know how the new bottle of Kiss Express looks. Okay? Y'all lay around for that too. Alright, now let's hit that corner and that'll wrap it up. Anyways, those of you that like this video, that have any questions, go ahead and hit like, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Those of you on my Facebook, I appreciate you guys. Y'all know how to comment, y'all know how to reach me. Peace. Shout out to Barber Illuminati again.